I'm gonna go ahead and do like pinks and purples. I'm thinking I'm gonna do the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette and sort of just start off there. Again, I just threw a brush. I have no real plan, but throwing brushes is not really one of them. So they're always really metallic-y. Let's just go play with that. Since my eyes are dark, I'm gonna play with the purple darker colors around my eyes because purple makes darker eyes pop. But I will be adding a pop of my own, don't worry. The dark purple to contour as well. Want to make sure you're well blended throughout the process. I'm gonna use some liquid sugar and grab some glitter, of course, because what's Halloween without glitter? Alrighty, so after we've added our glitter and blended out a little bit more, I want my eyebrows to be a different color, so I'm going to use a lip liner and just fill in my eyebrows with that. I need to be on Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I think I am going to contour with the colors as well. Like my colors on and my contour on. I'm really liking it. So now we're going to focus on the highlight, which I think is going to be the most like fairy like out of this look because they are always just glowing. So let's grab all of the highlights that I have and see which one would be the best for this. I'm thinking something that I wouldn't normally wear would be like a really icy type of highlight. This is when you pull it out. So I did get the rose gold by Maybelline, and as you can see, I've never really used it because it ends up being a really icy type of color. So I think I'm going to use that. Before we jump into that, I want to do my inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight, and I want that to be pinkish. So I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. This color right here turns out really pinkish. It is called these things are backwards, which is really, really weird. So that's called Faint. And since I want this to be very like glowy as a real fairy would, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face first real quick. Can't wait to see this with like lashes and everything else. We will blend all of these things out. I'm just getting them placed. As for this color, I have a separate brush going. This fuchsia is killing it. So vibrant. Alrighty, so I'm gonna get my lashes ready. I bought really dramatic lashes, just randoms. While I get those ready, I will put on my highlight. I am going to attempt top and bottom lashes. Go hard or go home. I'm really liking this look, guys. I'm gonna put on some mascara before our lashes. Alrighty, so let's do our highlight. I'm gonna use a damp sponge and get it on there. Of course, we're over dramatic. For the lip, I am going to keep it light and airy. I'm going to just do a liner with my lip. I am just going to do like a baby pink and lavender type lip. Alrighty guys, and that is my Halloween look. I don't have any costume yet. I don't even know if I'm gonna actually wear it, but when it comes to Halloween, I just like to have fun. I don't like to get too scary because I'm a scary cat. So for me, it's really just getting all glam. I really do like how this eye makeup came out, and I actually do really like how this skin came out. It's very iridescent. That is it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had some fun with me. I really just like threw on some color, but I really like how it came out actually. I could wear this eye, just not the eyebrows, anytime. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions on what you want to see next, leave them down below. Like and subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Bye.